Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel for Erica Dawn Voices. I am Erica Dawn, of course, the owner of Erica Dawn Voices, and I'm here today with a video to give you a full breakdown and overview of my intro to voiceover course. I'm literally going to break every part down step by step so that you know exactly what is a part of this course and what you will learn by taking this course. I'm going to try to keep it as brief as possible as I go through each section. There are 7 parts to this course. Like I said, I'm going to describe each part step by step just so that you know everything that is included. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel or you've been following this channel, then you saw a video where I gave kind of a preview of the course and how to sign up, how to enroll, things like that. I'm going to talk a little more extensively about how you can get enrolled and what happens after you enroll in the course. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Okay, so again, I did already give kind of a preview of the course and how you can get enrolled. Also, if you took any of my intro to voiceover workshops last month, I gave kind of a preview of how you can get enrolled and set up. It was actually during my pre-sale time, so the course was not completely built, but it is out there. It has been out for about a month now, and I'm so proud of it. I'm still so excited about it, and I really want to make sure that you understand everything that is included before purchasing, of course. And if you have any questions, I want you to feel free to be able to contact me and ask me any questions that you may have once I actually give you a full breakdown and overview. So I may answer a lot of questions that you may already have today on this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. On that first page where you can enroll, you will see a little bio about me. You see all of the things that come along with being a student of Erica Dawn Voices, which you are part of a private Facebook community. We do lunch and learn meetings. We will be doing monthly script reading workshops with just students. So these are things that you definitely want to take part of. If you are a student of Erica Dawn Voices, all of those benefits come free, and also discounted services on one-on-one coaching. So if you decide that you want to do one-on-ones with me, I definitely discount those services a lot for all of my students. But even if you don't do coaching with me, I recommend that you do coaching with someone. But my course, which is a strictly beginner novice course, is perfect along with your beginning coaching because it kind of coincides and lets you know all of the basic things that you need to know behind the scenes as well when it comes to getting started in the business. Let me touch on the beginner part of it again. So if you are an experienced voice actor, you've been working in the business for a while, you have a super duper grand home studio that's already set up, this course is not necessarily for you. This course is literally for the beginner starting from the ground up. I will be creating a level 2 course, which is going to do a bit of a deeper dive into all of the things when it comes to marketing and promoting and getting yourself out there to find work. And I will touch on that a little bit later in this video as well. But again, this course is for the beginner. I'm sure if you are part of different groups or community groups, or if you've just had your own questions about how to get started. I get the question all the time, how did you get started? Where do you start? And honestly, I didn't get good advice when I first started. I put the cart before the horse and went out and bought a whole bunch of expensive equipment and things like that, listening to people tell me that that is what needed to happen first, and that's definitely not the case. So again, I talk more about all that stuff and all of my frustrations and irritations with advice that is out there in most of my workshops, but I just wanted to let you know that this course definitely breaks down, everything that you need to know in order to work this instrument. Because if you don't have a voice, we all have a voice, but we don't know how to use our voice. So that is important. You want to make sure that you are getting training and coaching in the right places with the right people in order to get started, okay? So that's in a nutshell why I created the course and what the intention behind the course is, okay? Also, let me state, this is a self-paced course. So a lot of people are confused about that and think that if they purchase the course, that means that they have to start the course right then and there. They have to finish it at a certain time. There's a deadline. No, that's what I was running into when I was doing my course live. I used to teach the course on Saturday afternoons with a group of students, but I was finding that, you know, their time was limited, and there were people who wanted to join the course who couldn't because of timing purposes and scheduling purposes. So that is why I created this digital space to where you can literally go at your own pace. So you can purchase it now and start it next month if you want to. You can start it next year if you want to. But I really stress this, especially when I'm offering a discount. I don't run sales continuously. So if I'm offering a certain percentage off, or there's like a really good deal going on with the course, go ahead and take advantage of it, guys. So don't wait. Just take advantage of it. Any promo codes that I'm offering, usually on every workshop I do, I offer some type of promotion. So make sure you join the workshops for that reason alone too. I'm always offering a new promo code on each workshop, but take advantage on saving money, okay? Saving money, because it is not cheap to get started in this business. You don't have to break the bank. I'm big on not breaking the bank, and I'm big on doing things on a budget. That is another reason why I offer significant discounts and savings. So definitely make sure that you take advantage of any type of savings that you can, because like I said, down the line, down the road, this business can get pretty expensive and you have to invest in your craft. I'm constantly investing myself. I'm always taking class. I take courses on how to market myself with not only my voiceover service, but also with my voiceover business. I have to learn how to do all of these things, and I had to invest in that. Also just investing in different ideas and purchasing different things that I need in order to be able to create opportunities for myself. You have to invest in yourself. So don't feel like, you know, just because people are offering courses or classes at the end of their webinars and things like that, that they're just trying to take your money and just trying to just know. We have to make a living as well, but also you have to invest in your craft and invest in your service. I know times are hard for all of us right now, and I totally get it, and that's why I don't even charge a lot compared to other courses and other lessons that are out there, because I know that, and I know how much of a struggle it was for me, and I want to be different in that regard as far as providing these services to people. So definitely keep that in mind, that you have to invest in your craft. I give a lot of free information on my workshops that really you can probably go ahead and get started just based off of what I give for free. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Make sure you're following me on all my social media platforms, on Facebook at Erica Dawn Voices, on Instagram at Erica Dawn Voices, because I do give a lot of helpful tips and information on how to begin in this business for free. All right, so I'll quit rambling about all of that, and I'll go ahead and get started with explaining everything that is in each part, each section of the course. All right, so again, once you enroll in the course, you then become a part of my student board. Through that, I'm able to contact you and talk to you about what is going on with the course. If there are any updates to the course, I may add things to the course, PDFs or documents that I want you to view as a student, things like that. So you become a part of my community board, and I'm able to contact you that way. My course is on Teachable. That is the platform that I use to create my course. I am able to also see you on my dashboard. I'm able to track your progress throughout the course to see if there's any areas where it seems like you may be getting stuck, or you may have stopped or paused. I can kind of come to you and say, hey, I noticed that you got stuck on this module. Do you have any questions about anything? Is there anything I can help you with or assist you with? Could just be that, again, you're taking your time with it and you just need to come back to it later. Fine, but I definitely love that feature that I'm able to check on you to make sure that you are okay along the way. Also, through the dashboard, I'm able to contact all of my students, past and present, to give you updates on monthly meetings that we will be having and anything that I need to talk to my students privately about. There's certain things that I talk to my students about that I don't just talk to everyone that is a part of my workshops and things like that. My students are special. So there are conversations that we have either one-on-one or as a group that I'm able to use that platform also to contact you that way. All right, so again, the entire course consists of 7 parts. It doesn't mean 7 modules. There's tons of modules throughout the entire course, but there are 7 different parts to the entire course, okay? So starting with part 1. Part 1, I talk about vocal warm-ups and exercises that are very important for you to do before you do a reading. I walk you through the proper ways to do these exercises. There's like 6 or 7 different exercises that I walk you through on how to do. We talk about how to read scripts from top to bottom. We talk about how to create your own scripts. And we also talk about uncovering your niche. Okay, so a niche is basically finding what you're strong at, what your strong suit is in voiceover, which genre works best for you. We talk about uncovering what that could possibly be. Throughout the course though, you will find your niche and you will know what your niche is once we get through the entire course, okay? So that is just part 1. In part 2, we discuss audition submission etiquette. That is a thing. There is a particular way and style and rules to submitting auditions or submitting for particular roles and things like that. I break that down for you and how to do so. Here in part 2 is where we start to take a deeper dive in uncovering your niche and discovering what that could be. And also in part 2 is where you receive your first homework assignment. In part 3, we discuss partner dialogue. So that's between you and another character and how to read those scripts, how to submit auditions for those particular types of castings, as well as multicast, and how to submit for multiple roles. So if there is a job that is offering a position for multiple characters or roles and you fit the description of both and you want to submit for both, I basically show you how to do so. All right, and part 4 is probably my favorite part of the entire course, which this is always, the section that people have the most questions about when getting started in voiceover is microphones and equipment and things like that. So through this section, I do an entire show and tell of different microphones at different price points that you can get started with on a budget. There are going to be some microphones that I mentioned that some people may not agree with, but I'm telling you what my formula has been and what has worked for me and what I have noticed has worked for a lot of others in this business. So you could take my advice or leave my advice, but I'm telling you how you can get started on a budget. Of course, this is again how you can begin and start. You will need to upgrade. You will need to, invest a little bit more as time goes by, but I am showing you where you can get started. Also, just on home studio equipment, how to set up a little home studio area, because the treatment of your home, the treatment of your studio, it doesn't matter if you have a really expensive microphone. If your home studio is not treated well and it is not soundproofed well, that expensive microphone won't even matter. Okay, so again, I talk about how to do all of these things on a budget. I also, throughout the course, talk a lot about different terminology. So script reading terminology as well as tech terminology. So I kind of put some of that tech terminology to use by showing you a little bit of editing and how you can get started with learning how to edit on your own at home with recording from home. So we do talk about that a little bit in part 4 as well. Part 5, we discuss all things demos, how to record a demo, where you should record your demos, how to submit demos, the rules behind demos, all things demos in part 5. Part 6, we talk about marketing and how to find work. So again, I will be doing a level 2 course. It is highly requested amongst my students. When are you going to do a level 2? Are you going to do a level 2? Yes, I am going to do a level 2 course. I really hope that I can get a level 2 course out before the holidays. If not, it will be at the start of 2022, but I really would like to get it out before Christmas because I think that would make a great gift to a lot of people as well. So we'll see. But in level 2, I will be doing a much deeper dive into marketing, different types of opportunities that are out there. There's so many opportunities in voiceover that people probably don't even have any idea are out there. There are also different ways that you can create opportunities for yourself, and I'm big on opening your own doors, and I want to teach you how to do that. So definitely look out for level 2 of my Intro to VoiceOver course. It will be coming soon, I promise. But here in the beginner course, I do give you a breakdown on different ways to get started on your own without any experience as a freelancer on pay-to-play sites. We talk about SoundCloud, we talk about YouTube, we talk about websites, we talk about bios, cover letters, resumes, things like that. I also give you a template that I use for myself, an email template that you actually can copy and paste and use for yourself. Of course, you have to make adjustments to speak to your own experience and speak to who you are, but I give you the template in the course. It is free. It comes with the course for you to use to be able to submit for different jobs. All right, and then part 7, which is the final part of the course, we do a full recap of everything that we've discussed, and we conclude the course, and I send you on your way. Now, of course, when I say I send you on your way, that doesn't mean I leave you. I don't leave my students, okay? So any of them can tell you that I still email, I still check up on all of my students to make sure they're okay, make sure they're sticking to the plan and getting the ball rolling and not just sitting idle, because if you don't use it, you lose it. So definitely want to make sure that I keep the wheels turning in all of my students, so I will never leave you. But you can always email me, ask me questions at any point in time throughout the course. Once you're finished with the course, if you're stuck on something, if you're having some woes, anything like that, I'm here for you. You can always contact me and I can help you get yourself back motivated. I mentioned before on the intro video about this channel that I want to motivate people here too. I don't just want to give tips. I don't just want to talk about industry things. I also want to help you stay motivated and help you stay driven when it comes to this business, because it can get really, really hard and tough. It's kind of a dry spell for me right now. We all go through it as voice actors or actors in general. Opportunities don't always just pop up, as we would expect it or hope. So we have to do things that are going to keep us motivated, keep us going. And again, sometimes we have to open our own doors and create our own opportunities. And I want to be able to show you how to do that, okay? Because it has absolutely worked for me. So again, I hope anyone who's had any questions so far or has not been quite sure about the course kind of got a better feel for what is involved and what it entails. Again, if you have further questions, feel free to ask. You can drop comments right here on this video and I will get back to you. Make sure you like this video if you like what I am giving you as far as information. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because there's so much more that I will be bringing to this channel to let you know about my VO journey, as well as how you can start your VO journey, okay? So that is all that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it is informative. I hope that you will get enrolled into the course. Please, please, please make sure you join me on September 21st and or September 23rd for my Intro to Voiceover workshop. It is free 99, okay? You can join for free, register for free. We do script reading participation at the end of the workshop, which is always so much fun. I have so much fun on all of my workshops, so I don't want you to miss out. Please join me. Again, I give you a lot of helpful information, a lot of free gems, okay? Join the workshop, get on there, learn how you can get started in this business, and yeah, I hope that I can see you there. I look forward to meeting you. Hopefully you will be on there, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.
Hello, future voiceover pros. My Intro to Voiceover course has officially launched. This is a self-paced beginner's course on all of the basics to getting started in this business. I fully cover topics such as warm-ups and vocal exercises, genres of voiceover, uncovering your niche, script reading and tech terminology, home studio on a budget, editing and software, marketing and job search, and so much more. Enroll today and get $50 off by using promo code VO50. Don't miss out. This offer is only for a limited time. I look forward to having you as a part of the Erica Dawn Voices student family.